All right, so today we are going to be looking at Mimic Personal Finance and how do I go to the shopping mall and buy some inventory stuff. Okay, so today I want to show you guys how to purchase a hall pass and then a Life Happens redraw. Okay, so in order to go to my shopping mall, right, so I just got paid today and I already allocated my funds, which if you don't know how to do that, you should check the previous video. But yeah, so I'm going to go to shopping, okay, and then shopping mall. Now, if I click personal inventory, I can see I don't have anything yet, right? I haven't purchased anything. So this varies depending on your class and how they want to set it up. But for today's purpose, we want a hall pass. Okay, so single use must be redeemed at time of use. Okay, so there's 16 available in the class. So this number tells you how much is available in your class. And that can change. We try to sometimes replicate supply and demand, right? There might only be one or two of a certain thing that we sell because maybe it's, like low supply of it or whatever, right? But and see it's $30, so I'm just going to add that to my cart. Okay, so I can buy multiple ones if I wanted, but I know I for sure need one, so I'm just going to add one to the cart. And then I also want a Life Happens redraw. Okay, so Life Happens is kind of the thing that we'll talk about that later, but basically once a week we do a thing as a class where we just see what happens to you personally, right? So we hit a little simulator, it simulates, and it has all these different options. So it could be a good thing, could be a bad thing, right? But yeah, I'm going to purchase the Life Happens redraw. It's $200, but I've got the money, so adding that to my cart. So now I can proceed to checkout. I have $1,700 in my checking account, or I can put up my credit card. This is also where I can make changes if I want to, maybe remove something from my cart. But yeah, I'm going to purchase that. So transaction successful, yay. So when I go to personal inventory now, I have got my two things. Right, so if I am using my hall pass in class, then I will click that check mark. And then that way, I can keep track of how many I've used or whatnot. Okay, so that is how you purchase things from the shopping mall. Yeah, it's good times.